Do you know why NASA was created? Today, we'll reveal the untold story behind its creation and the surprising facts most people have never heard. In the late 1950s, the world was divided by the Cold War. The United States and the Soviet Union were competing for power, technology, and global influence. But in 1957, everything changed. The Soviet Union successfully launched Sputnik 1, the world's first artificial satellite. It was a historic achievement. For the first time, an object made by humans was orbiting the Earth. The news shocked the United States. Many Americans feared that if the Soviet Union could launch a satellite into space, it might also have the technology to launch powerful missiles across the world. The United States realized it needed to act quickly. On July 29, 1958, President Dwight D. Eisenhower signed the National Aeronautics and Space Act. That single decision created a new civilian space agency. Its name was NASA, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. NASA officially began operations on October 1, 1958. It brought together thousands of scientists, engineers, and researchers with one mission: to explore space, advance science, and ensure that America would never fall behind in the space race again. The early years were filled with challenges. Every rocket launch was a test of courage, innovation, and determination. Failures were common, but NASA kept learning from every mistake. Then came Project Mercury. Its goal was simple but incredibly difficult: send an American into space. In 1961, astronaut Shepard became the first American to travel into space. It was a major victory, but the competition was far from over. Soon after, President John F. Kennedy announced an even bigger goal. Before the end of the decade, America would land a man on the moon and bring him safely back to Earth. It sounded impossible, yet thousands of engineers and scientists worked day and night to make it happen. After years of research, testing, and sacrifice, the moment finally arrived. On July 20th, 1969, Apollo 11 landed on the moon. Astronaut Neil Armstrong stepped onto the lunar surface and spoke the famous words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." Millions of people around the world watched history unfold live. NASA had achieved what many believed could never be done. But the journey didn't end there. Over the decades, NASA launched the Space Shuttle program, explored Mars with robotic rovers, sent the Hubble Space Telescope into orbit, and developed the James Webb Space Telescope, revealing breathtaking images of the universe. Today, NASA continues to explore deep space, study distant planets, and prepare for future missions to the Moon and Mars. What began as a response to fear and competition became one of the greatest scientific organizations in human history. NASA didn't just change America, it changed the way humanity sees the universe. It was a revolutionary technology, something beyond what anyone had imagined possible, and its greatest discoveries may still lie ahead.